Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm about to make a Cameroonian dish called Cece Plantain. So for this recipe, the main ingredients will be my banana and some groundnut. So I also have my cow leg, which I'll be using as a protein for this dish. Then I also have some frozen blended spice. So I just went ahead and I properly washed my cow leg. So right now I'm adding in some Maggi seasoning for this. I'll also be adding in some salt, then some white peppers and black peppers, that's blended white pepper and black pepper. Then I also have some blended spice, which is made up of red bell peppers, hot pepper, and some onions. So I won't be adding in any garlic into this blended spice or ginger because I already have my garlic, ginger, celery, and white pepper in the other frozen blended spice. So I won't be adding that into this other spice. So right now I just went ahead, gave it a proper stir, then I covered the pot and I let it cook for about 45 minutes. So right now my meat has been cooking for 45 minutes. You want your meat to cook for 45 minutes because you want the cow leg to be 80% cooked, since your bananas won't take long to cook. So I would say my cow leg is 80% cooked. So for the remaining 20%, I will just be adding in my bananas into the meat so that it can cook for the remaining 20%, since the bananas won't take long to cook. And while my meat was cooking, I went ahead to properly clean my plantains and gave it a wash. So right now I'm just putting the plantain into the pot so that it can cook together with the meat. Then I'll also go ahead to add more water into the pot because you want enough water into the pot so that it can cook the plantains properly. While I was peeling my plantain, I was also baking my peanut in the oven at the same time. So right now my peanut has been properly baked, so I'm just going ahead to blend the peanut. So my plantain has been cooking for about 15 minutes. Then this is the proper time for me to add in my remaining ingredients. So I'm just adding in my blended frozen spice, which is made up of garlic and ginger. Then I'm also adding in the peanut, the blended peanut. And I'm also adding in some Maggi because when I was cooking my cow leg, I put in just 2 Maggi seasonings and salt. So now that I put my plantain and added more water, I'm adding in more Maggi seasoning and some salt. So I'll just go ahead to give that a proper stir. So at this point, guys, always make sure to taste the food. If you feel like it needs more Maggi or salt, then you can go ahead and you add that. So at this point, my Maggi and my salt was correct. After giving this a proper stir, I'll just go ahead to cover my pot and let it cook for 10 more minutes so that my ingredients can marinate into the plantains. So I'll just cover the pot right now, then I let it cook for 10 minutes. So it's been cooking for 10 minutes right now. I'll just go ahead to add in some oil into the pot. So at this point, guys, if you have either palm oil, groundnut oil, or whatever oil you have at home, you can just add in at this point. So I'll be adding in my canola oil. I know a lot of people will add in palm oil, so whichever oil you have at home, just go ahead and add it. So I added in the oil, then I covered the pot and I let it cook for 5 minutes because you want the oil to cook. So I cooked this for 5 minutes. Then I went ahead to off my stove and just allow the sauce shimmer in the pot. So right now it's been standing for 5 minutes and this is the final results, guys. My food is ready. It looks so good and it tastes so yummy. So I'll just go ahead to dish out some of the food because I want to dig in. So guys, the food was so good. I had a good time. I enjoyed my meal. So if you love this food, guys, if you love what you're seeing, go ahead and give it a try with some bananas and peanuts. So not plantain, guys. We need bananas for this recipe and not plantain. So if you watch up to this point, I say a very big thank you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that whenever I drop a video, you will be the first to get a notification. I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye.